Well, well, what's on your agenda, Gerd? I'll bet you I can guess. Oh, what does Gerdie want? Gerdie, I will give you some. Gerdie, I will give you some if you come here. Gertama Gerd? Did you want some cookies? You know Mommy has some in the fridge for you, some good stuff. Okay. We're gonna go and get some, okay? Oh, God, I love your face. You are so sweet. Look at you, Gertama Gerd. Look at you. I love you so much. Okay, we're gonna go in just a second. Okay, let's go. Yeah, Goody wants some cookies. Okay, let's go get those cookies.